Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here you can see there are 3 switches without internet because of the lack of Wi-Fi signal. As a solution, I have installed external Wi-Fi antenna which is 2.4 GHz and I have soldered that antenna to the PCB. You have to make sure that your smart switch only supports 2.4 GHz. So here I have cut down the original antenna from the place where denoted by the purple arrow. Before attempting any modification to an already installed switch, make sure that you have disconnected the live and neutral from the main switch. After turning off the MCB, you can detach the front PCB and do the modification. So here you can see the main lines are exposed after removing the front PCB. Alright, back to the modification. Here you can attach center from the antenna wire to the pad next to the capacitor and the ground from the antenna wire to the pad as denoted in the picture from the negative side. Use a multimeter to make sure there are no any short circuited paths after soldering. Now before attaching the front glass to the switch, you need to place the antenna in the middle of the PCB. Otherwise the front glass won't fit. Use some kind of double-sided sticky tape and place it firmly like this. After the soldering is finished, you can see my switch is back online. That's all for today guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you very much.